Downloading or exporting your entire WordPress media library can be essential for various reasons, such as creating a backup, migrating to a new website, or simple organizing your files offline. Here are some few methods to help you achieve this, which is downloading or exporting all WordPress media library. So this is a full guide on how you can perform this. So the first thing you have to do is using the export media library plugin. So to do this, open your WordPress, log into your account, then on your dashboard go to plugins, then add new plugins, which is just search for export media library and click on install now. Once you installed, click activate, export your media library, go to media, export, choose the single folder with all files options from the drop down menu next to the folder structure option. Click on download zip to download your entire media library into a zip file, and that is how you can download or export all WordPress media library. That's it. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.